today I'm talking about whether smoothies are really a good, healthy pre-workout drink. Before I go into smoothies, right, let's understand what happens in a workout. Now, again, different types of workouts do demand different things from your body. So if you're weight training, you're going to be basically creating a lot of challenge on your muscles, a lot of stress on your muscles. There's going to be breakdown and wear and tear of your muscles. And post that workout, over the next 24 to 48 hours, your muscles are going to need nutrition to kind of recover and become stronger. If you're doing something like yoga is not necessarily creating muscle wear and tear, right? It's just helping your body become more flexible, relax more, loosen up the muscles, bring a better connection between your mind and body. If you're doing something like endurance training, right, like running, cycling, swimming, that requires a greater ability to oxygenate your muscles, to kind of get your blood going all over the place, to make sure your heart and your lungs are performing the way they should. Often, even in running and cycling, you're not going to see the degree of muscle breakdown that you would see in a weight training workout. So different workouts demand different things from the body. Now, what should you be doing pre-workout? There are two schools of thoughts here. One school of thought is like you do your workouts in a fasted state because that's what pushes the body to really do better. But assuming you do not belong to that school of thought and you need something to consume before your workout, what are the things you should be giving your body? Carbohydrates, they're really great for producing energy for the workout or fueling your workout. Proteins, I would say post-workout are a really good idea. You don't need proteins pre-workout. Now, if you're going to have smoothies pre-workout, what are the things that you should then put in a smoothie? You could use bananas, which are going to give you the carbohydrates you need. You could put in things like some berries, right? Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, because these are again going to give you carbs along with a lot of antioxidants. Not really necessary for a workout, but they just make your smoothie taste better. Should you be putting milk or yogurt or whey protein in your pre-workout smoothie? That's really not necessary because you don't need your protein pre-workout. You need your protein post-workout. What I would recommend you really put in your smoothie is a little bit of salt, right? So this is not something most people talk about often. A little bit of salt, because when you're working out, whether it's yoga, whether it's weight training, whether it's endurance training, you are sweating and you're losing a lot of electrolytes through that sweat. So people think hydration is important during a workout, but hydration is not just about water. Hydration is also about the electrolytes you lose while you're sweating. So add a little salt to your smoothie, and when you make that smoothie, make it with coconut water. What coconut water would do is it would give your body the potassium it needs, right? So the electrolytes your body needs during or post-workout are sodium, which comes from salt, potassium, which can come from coconut water, and magnesium, because magnesium is something your body loses. Again, I would recommend not keeping the volume of this to like because if you're drinking like 300 ml or a big cup of a smoothie, it's going to fill up your stomach and it's actually going to impair your breathing. It's going to impair your ability to use your abdominal muscles also during your workout. So ideally, keep your smoothie quantity small. Just put in bananas, berries and these electrolytes. You could even just have like a spoon of honey for the carbohydrates if you need it. If you're somebody who kind of experiences a little dizziness, if you go empty stomach for a workout, you could have a couple of dates if you want to. You could just eat a small, that elaichi banana and go for a workout. You don't really need to have a smoothie itself. And to me, actually, if you're experiencing dizziness and fatigue, if you're going on a fasted workout, there's something that's going on with your adrenals that needs to be looked at, because human beings actually can do workouts in fasted states, right? So if you're experiencing a lot of the dizziness and a lot of the fatigue and inability to work out if you don't eat, I would recommend getting your blood work done and see what's really going on inside your body.